Lesson 11.1.2 The Definition of Polynomials. Definition of Polynomials. Mono means a single in Greek. Thus, monomials are expressions that contain a single term where the coefficient and variables are multiplied by each other. On the other hand, polynomials are algebraic expressions that contain two or more monomials that are added to or subtracted from each other. Poly means many in Greek. Hence, the term polynomial is translated as many monomials put together. For example, the following figure shown on screen is a polynomial, as it is made by three different monomials, 3x squared, 4x, and minus y or minus 1y that are connected to each other through the addition and subtraction symbols. On the other hand, this figure is not a polynomial, it is an algebraic fraction, as explained in Chapter 6, because the two terms are connected with each other through the division operation. Likewise, the expression now shown on screen is not a polynomial because not all its component terms are monomials. The second term contains the root, which is a rational power. In this way, we reach a very important conclusion about the polynomials. Polynomials are special algebraic expressions where all exponents of the variables are in whole powers, natural plus 0. In other words, polynomials belong to the algebraic expression set, but they do not represent the entire set of the algebraic expressions. We express the general form of a polynomial as p, x, y, z, and so on, where x, y, z, etc., are its variables. For example, it is clear the figure shown on screen is a polynomial with three terms and two variables. Monomials, therefore, represent a special case of polynomials. We can call them polynomials with one term. If we have a number not followed by a variable in a polynomial, it still represents a term, but the number itself is not called a coefficient anymore but a constant instead. Example. Identify the number of terms, coefficients, constants and variables of the polynomials shown on screen. Solution. A. This polynomial has three terms, minus 2x to the power of 5, 3y, and 4. It also has two variables, x and y. The coefficients are minus 2 and 3, while the constant is 4. B. This polynomial has three terms, 4a to the power of 3b, minus 3a, and b2. It also has two variables, a and b. The coefficients are 4 and minus 3, while the constant is 0. That is all for lesson 11.1.2. To continue this topic, please watch 11.1.3, The Degree of Polynomials. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.